In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Adalo app on your device. Whether you're a beginner or just need a little refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. To start, we'll need to access the Adalo app's APK file, which is an essential component for installation on Android devices. The first thing you want to do is head over to Google and perform a quick search using the term Adalo APK. Once you've entered your search terms, hit the search button and you should see a list of results. Among these, look for the link titled Adalo APK for Android Download. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can download the app. Now that you're on the download page, your next step is to find the button that says Download APK 22.1 Embauch. This should be visible once the page loads. Click on this button to start downloading the file. Depending on your internet speed, the download might take a minute or two, so feel free to be patient during this process. Once the initial download is complete, you might need to scroll down and click on Download APK once more to ensure the file is fully downloaded. This step is crucial to make sure that you have the complete APK file needed for installation. If you're downloading it on your computer first, remember to transfer it to your smartphone for the installation. But if you're doing everything directly on your phone, simply continue with the following steps. At this point, if you're transferring the file from your computer, connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable and copy the downloaded APK file over to your device's storage. Navigate to your phone's Files or My Files app, find the APK and tap on it to start the installation process. Ensure that your phone allows installations from unknown sources. This setting can typically be found in the Security or Applications menu in the Settings app. Once you've adjusted your settings to allow installations from unknown sources, or if it's already enabled, the installation process should start automatically when you tap the APK file. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. And there you have it. The Adalo app is now installed on your device. Remember, if you have any trouble installing the application, ensure your settings allow for third-party installations and you followed each step correctly. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need it. Happy exploring and enjoy creating with Adalo.